Hello viewers, I am Ron. Welcome to my channel PSC Exam Prep. We are going to discuss 20 GK questions relating to economics. So before getting to it, please do subscribe to my channel. Well, moving on to the question. The first question is, where is the headquarters of the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development? NABARD in short. Where is its headquarters? The answer is Mumbai. The next question. Second question, on which date financial year starts in India? It's a very simple question. The answer is April 1st. That's the 1st of April is the start of the financial year in India. Next question, in which year Bombay Mutual Life Assurance Society was founded? The answer is 1818. That is 1818. 1818, or you can say. The next question, which is the oldest existing insurance company in India? That is, it still exists. The answer is National Insurance Company. The answer is National Insurance Company. Well, the next question, in which year National Insurance Company was established? The answer is 1906. 1906. Next question is, the seat of Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, that is IRDA in short, is at Hyderabad. That is, its seat is at Hyderabad, IRDA's seat. The next question, in which year Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI in short, was formed? The answer is 1990. The next question, where is the headquarters of the Small Industries Development Bank of India? That is SIDBI in short. Its headquarters is at UP, Lucknow. That's in Lucknow, UP. You get it right. Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. During which 5-year plan Durgapur, Bhilai, Rourkela steel plants were constructed? The answer is during the second 5-year plan. The next question is, in which year Foreign Exchange Management Act 1973 was replaced by a new act? The year is 2000. The year is 2000. The next question. Which Indian state has the lowest percentage of urban population? The answer is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh has the lowest urban population percentage. The next question is, the official rate at which the Reserve Bank of India will rediscount the bills of commercial banks? The answer is bank rate. That's the name of the official rate. The next question, what is the ratio for sharing goods and services tax between central and state governments? The answer is 50:50. 50-50 ratio. That's both take equal parts. Next question is, a market where there is only a single buyer for goods or services. A single buyer. The answer is monopsony. Monopsony. The next question, which tree is featured in the logo of the Reserve Bank of India? The answer is palm tree. I repeat the answer. The answer is palm tree. Moving on to the next question. The South Asian country which has adopted gross national happiness as an index of the well-being of citizens. That country is Bhutan. That is, the answer is Bhutan. The next question. Where is the headquarters of Unit Trust of India Mutual Fund? UTI Mutual Fund. Its headquarters is in Mumbai. The next question. On which date Niti Aayog was formed? On which date was Niti Aayog formed? The answer is 1st of January 2015. January 1st, 2015. That's the answer. Next question. Who was the first CEO of Niti Aayog? Who was the first CEO of Niti Aayog? The answer is Sindhusri Kullar. The answer is Sindhusri Kullar. Next question. Full form of Niti Aayog. Full form of Niti Aayog. The answer is National Institution for Transforming India Ayog. Well, that was the final question. That's all for now. So if you liked my content, please do subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.